It's a third day of gains for Mara stock, up 9.38% as we count down to the close of the regular session of today, the 9th of February 2024. And we have on its 1 minute chart. It's given up some of the strength. It ran up in this regular session. At some point, it reached the highs of around $2.37, just slightly above that. It is a Fibonacci projection there, 23.75, and we have that the most upper projection is 24.04. And as I indicated earlier on, this is the third straight day of gains for Mara stock, so it's gradually inching up to retest the highs of $31.26. It's printed sometime in late December of last year, so gradually inching up. Got a pivot as of Monday, or rather pivoted on Tuesday, the 6th of February 2023, and hasn't looked back. So it's not even the third straight, it's actually the fifth straight day of gains for Mara stock. So next upper projection on this daily chart is $26.2. What are the odds that will happen? After that we have 28.89, and then we have 32.69, we have 37.59, and we have 51.82. So I think what's happening here is that the algo, because the highs it ran up, if not or rather this peak of 31.42 is not long ago, it's still very much fresh. As such, the Fibonacci projection has enough ambitious data to keep us entertained with these fascinating projections. I'm trying to read into what's going on, here. If the stock if these were, before now, it was just moving sideways. If all the data over the last 52 weeks, or even one round 4 weeks, we were totally flat, the projections we're likely to find here wouldn't be this fascinating, so, but it's we are fortunate to see what's going on here. So let's see what's going on. What's the news? Crypto miners see nice pop after Bitcoin gains. Let's see whether it gained any further. Okay, Bitcoin companies move higher as cryptocurrency rose 6% to 47,752. Okay, yes, definitely it is. They're no longer losing. The shine they lost with the launch of Bitcoin spot ETFs it's now a thing of the past. So let's quickly move on to CLSK. CLSK is Clean Spark is just like Mara has continued to rally, and just like Mara as well, he printed a peak of 13.47 and has now surpassed that peak. So maybe, fingers crossed, that might be what will happen to Mara. It might surpass that peak of $31.42. Okay, so let's see now what's going on here. And did it pivoted on, yes, exactly the same thing, just the same pattern, pivoted on Monday, Tuesday the 6th, and has continued to relentlessly inch up the charts. So next projection, which is highly likely that it's going to print it at some point, is $14.37. Above that we have 16.53, and then we have 22.81. But there are indeed downward projections. We have 12.7, we have 11.51, we have 10.33, we have 8.87, and then 6.43. Yeah, so let's quickly have a look at RIOT blockchain. Okay, just like CLSK and Marathon, it's printed the same peak as of Wednesday, the 27th of December 2023, and let's see when it got its pivot. The same day as well. So these, all of them are doing this. All of them have are clearly responding to the action on Bitcoin, and so this is the fifth straight day of gains for RIOT Stock. So it's just that in the case of CLSK has breached its, it has retested its peak and has exceeded it. So right now, RIOT is above this Fibonacci projection of around 14.40. Next target will be 15.50. We have next one 17.06. We have 19.08, all the way towards 24.93. Okay, let's quickly have a look at HOLO Stock. Let's see what's going on with it. On Wednesday, it ran up a huge gain. Let's see what's going on today. Yeah, the stock has now retreated. It's now retreated. Has cooled off from this peak of 28.72. It's now has lost 23.59% today, and just slightly below one of its Fibonacci projections of 23.21, currently trading at 21.99 at the moment. Yeah, so who knows where it's going to pivot from there, or it's going to retrace any further, and then probably resume its march towards 36.08. Would that be the case? But we have on this daily chart, we don't have enough projection, we don't really have enough projections in between. The projections are quite far apart. Let's see whether we can see anything on the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, we don't have projections all the way above everything. All of it's all the way above its price. We have 49. The least projections 49.73. I think all of that. The reason behind that is because of the huge rally run up, and the algos are still in that mode. So let's look at the 5-minute chart and see. We might get much closer projections. Yes, indeed. Extrapolation is saying HOLO should be at 26.5, 26.25. So here on this 5-minute chart, we have 22.81, a possible rebound target. It has on this chart, you can see it's it is recovering. It is recovering. The trend is an upward one. So could the next target be 22.81 or around where it is right now, which is 22.19. There's also down here down projection of 21.17. Okay, so but upper projections still go further. We have 23.32. We have 23.84. We have 24.55. We have 25.48, and all the way towards 28.15 on the 5-minute chart for HOLO. So, but indeed, there are also a lot of other stocks that were in the news today. INBS run up Intelligent Biosystems, Intelligent Biosolutions run up a huge 144.1%, cooling off right now. Let's have a look at this 1 minute chart and see. Okay, yeah, this is I want to believe the peak of this session. I started peak. I think the peak was $10.2. So stock has started to cooling off from those highs, and it's rapidly giving up all of those gains. Let's see what happened with INBS. Let's see. The company reported second quarter and 6-month financial results. Revenue from sale of goods up $400,000 from $360,000 to $760,004. Okay. The company attributed the growth in revenue to the acquisition of Intelligent Fingerprinting Limited and growth of the company's Asia Pacific business, in addition to expansion into new regions and growth in existing market regions. Okay, so let's have a look at its daily chart and see what we have for INBS. Nothing fantastic. You can see that this is a typical case. The stock has been moving sideways, so the algos are not delivering anything fantastic. They're not. It hasn't had any spike, any strong spike like what we've seen with the crypto adjacent stocks. It hasn't seen. There's nothing like that as such. So let's quickly have a look at NYCB, New York Community Bank Corp Inc. Let's see. This is its. The stock has been plunging downwards, and today it's trying to rebound. Let's see why it's trying to rebound. Says the New York Community Bank stock rises as insider buy shares at 1997 prices. Let's see. Up 15% as insiders at the company bought stock after a brutal couple of weeks for the bank, with no major credit ratings actions or further updates from the company. New York Community Bank Corp stock rose 63 cents to $4.83 a share at the current level. At the current level, the stock is trading at comparable prices to its closing levels in 1997, but well above its 50-week intraday low of $3.6 a share. 7 executives and directors of the company bought a combined $865,170 worth of stock at prices ranging from $4.05 a share to $4.41 a share, according to Friday filings. Okay, so insider trading is the reason, amongst other things, probably, that is behind this rally for NYCB. So this is its daily chart. So what are the odds of it rebounding to 8.08? Well, never say never. Never say never. Never say never. But let's see whether we have something on its maybe 5-minute chart and see where it could be, where it could go next. So the next possible target will be, I would say, is something between, it's a range between 4.83 and 4.83 and 4.76, and if it gets to 4.83, then there's a good chance it can get to 4.89, and but I would say maybe 5.05 looks a bit far-fetched, but it's only 25 cents away from there. It can get there, yeah. So let's look at TOP. Top Financial Group Limited. This is its 5-minute chart. and it has a projection just right above where it is of 6.35, but there's a downward projection. It's just literally sitting on, which is 6.18. That is likely to print, and then we have down projection of 5.95, and down to 5.61, all the way down to 4.7. And then once again, projection upper projection above where it is. We have 6.35. We have 6.52. We have 6.77. We have 7.09, and all the way towards $8. So let's recap and see what's going on. Mara is holding a gain of 9.68. We still have a few more minutes before the market closes. Yeah, so Mara and indeed all the other crypto adjacent stocks, they are on the move. They're still on the move. They've been active all through this week. Yeah, they've been active all through this week. So let's see. Mara is holding a gain of 9.64, and let's look at CLSK. These three stocks have a similar pattern, especially since the last 5 trading sessions. The pattern has been last 6 trading sessions, I would say. So Clear Spark up 33.62. Let's look at RIOT. RIOT up 11.09. So see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.